Welcome! Today, we're diving into the secrets of cleaning your house faster and more efficiently. Whether you're preparing for guests or just want to keep your living space tidy without spending hours, these tips will help you get the job done quickly. We'll cover everything from smart planning to clever cleaning hacks so you can reclaim your time and enjoy a sparkling home. Let's get started with the basics and build up to a full-speed cleaning routine that anyone can follow. Ready to transform your cleaning habits? Let's jump in. One of the best ways to clean faster is to set a timer for each task. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. For example, give yourself 10 minutes to tidy the living room or 15 minutes for the kitchen. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish when you're racing against the clock. Plus, it turns cleaning into a bit of a game, making the process less tedious and more engaging. Try this method and watch your productivity soar as you move from room to room. Before you start cleaning, gather all your supplies in one place. This includes cleaning sprays, cloths, sponges, a vacuum, and trash bags. Having everything at hand saves you from running back and forth, which can waste precious time. Consider using a caddy or a bucket to carry your essentials from room to room. This simple step streamlines your process and keeps you organized so you can move quickly and efficiently through your cleaning routine. Start your cleaning session by decluttering each room. Pick up items that don't belong, such as clothes, dishes, or toys, and put them in their proper places. This makes it much easier to clean surfaces and floors without obstacles in your way. Decluttering first also gives you a sense of accomplishment and sets the stage for deeper cleaning. Remember, a tidy space is much easier and faster to clean than a cluttered one. When cleaning a room, always start at the top and work your way down. Dust, ceiling fans, shelves, and furniture before vacuuming or mopping the floor. This way, any dust or debris that falls will be cleaned up last, ensuring you don't have to redo any work. This method saves time and ensures a thorough clean, leaving every part of your room spotless in one go. Invest in efficient cleaning tools like microfiber cloths, extendable dusters, and multi-purpose sprays. These tools make cleaning faster and more effective. Microfiber cloths, for example, trap dust and dirt better than regular rags, while extendable dusters help you reach high places without a ladder. Multi-purpose sprays reduce the need for multiple products, saving you time and effort. If you're short on time, focus your efforts on high-traffic areas like the kitchen, living room, and bathrooms. These spaces tend to get dirty the fastest and make the biggest impact when clean. Wipe down counters, sweep or vacuum floors, and tidy up surfaces. By prioritizing these areas, you can make your whole house feel cleaner in less time. To speed things up, try using both hands while cleaning. For example, dust with one hand and wipe with the other, or spray cleaner with one hand while scrubbing with the other. This technique doubles your efficiency and helps you finish tasks in half the time. It may take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll notice a big difference in your cleaning speed. Multitasking can be a great time saver if done right. For example, while laundry is running, you can clean the bathroom or tidy the living room. Use waiting times to tackle smaller chores, like wiping down counters or emptying the trash. By overlapping tasks, you make the most of every minute and keep your cleaning routine moving smoothly. Don't overcomplicate your cleaning routine with too many products. Stick to a few versatile cleaners that work on multiple surfaces. This reduces decision fatigue and makes it easier to move quickly from one task to the next. A good all-purpose cleaner, glass spray, and disinfectant are usually all you need for most jobs. Keep a basket or bin handy for quick tidying. As you move through the house, toss in items that belong elsewhere. Once you're done cleaning, take a few minutes to return everything to its proper place. This method keeps clutter under control and helps you maintain a tidy home with minimal effort. One of the best habits for a cleaner home is to clean as you go. Wipe up spills immediately, put things away after use, and do small chores throughout the day. This prevents messes from piling up and makes your main cleaning sessions much faster and easier. Don't try to do everything yourself. Get family members or roommates involved in the cleaning process, assign specific tasks to each person, and work together as a team. Not only does this make cleaning faster, but it also helps everyone take responsibility for keeping the home tidy. Music can make cleaning more enjoyable and help you move faster. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs and let the rhythm keep you motivated. You'll find yourself working more quickly and having fun at the same time. Establishing a regular cleaning routine helps you stay on top of chores and prevents messes from getting out of hand. Decide which tasks to do daily, weekly, or monthly, and stick to your schedule. This keeps your home consistently clean and makes each session faster and less overwhelming. Begin your cleaning session with the messiest room in the house. Tackling the toughest area first gives you a sense of accomplishment and makes the rest of the house feel easier to clean. Plus, you'll see the biggest transformation right away which can be very motivating. Using the right cleaning products for each surface saves time and effort. For example, glass cleaner works best on mirrors and windows, while disinfectant is ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. Read labels and choose products that match your needs for a faster, more effective clean. When vacuuming, start at the farthest corner of the room and work your way toward the door. Use long, overlapping strokes to cover more area quickly. Don't forget to vacuum under furniture and along baseboards for a thorough clean. Empty the vacuum regularly to maintain strong suction. Microfiber cloths are excellent for dusting because they trap dust and dirt instead of spreading it around. Use them on shelves, electronics, and other surfaces for a quick and thorough clean. Wash your microfiber cloths regularly to keep them effective. Use disinfectant wipes or a damp cloth to quickly wipe down surfaces like countertops, tables, and doorknobs. Focus on high-touch areas to reduce germs and keep your home looking fresh. This quick step makes a big difference in overall cleanliness. Mirrors and glass surfaces can show fingerprints and smudges easily. Use a streak-free glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth for a quick shine. Clean mirrors in bathrooms and glass on doors or tables to instantly brighten up your space. For a quick bathroom clean, spray all surfaces with cleaner first, then let it sit while you tidy up, wipe down counters, sinks, and faucets, then clean the toilet and mirror. Finish by sweeping or mopping the floor. This method lets the cleaner work while you multitask, saving time. In the kitchen, start by clearing countertops and loading the dishwasher. Wipe down surfaces, clean the sink, and sweep the floor. Focus on visible messes and high-use areas for a fast refresh. Don't forget to take out the trash for a finishing touch. To quickly tidy bedrooms, make the bed, pick up clothes, and clear nightstands. Dust surfaces and vacuum or sweep the floor. A made bed and tidy surfaces instantly make the room look cleaner and more inviting. In the living room, fluff pillows, fold blankets, and clear clutter from tables. Dust surfaces and vacuum the floor, or use a lint roller on furniture. These quick steps make your main gathering space look neat in minutes. Entryways are the first thing people see when they enter your home. Sweep or vacuum the floor, wipe down surfaces, and organize shoes or coats. A tidy entryway sets the tone for the rest of the house and makes a great first impression. Place doormats at all entrances to reduce the amount of dirt tracked into your home. Shake out mats regularly and vacuum around entryways to keep floors cleaner for longer. This simple step cuts down on cleaning time throughout the week. Store cleaning supplies in convenient locations around your home. For example, keep bathroom cleaners under the sink and kitchen sprays in a cabinet. This makes it easy to clean up messes as soon as they happen, saving you time later. A cleaning caddy helps you carry all your supplies from room to room. Fill it with your favorite products, cloths, and brushes. This keeps everything organized and within reach, so you can move quickly and efficiently through your cleaning routine. Take a few minutes each day to spot clean, high-use areas. Wipe up spills, sweep entryways, and tidy up surfaces. These small efforts prevent dirt and messes from building up, making your main cleaning sessions much faster. Choose tools that can handle multiple tasks, like a vacuum with attachments for floors and upholstery, or a mop that works on different surfaces. Multi-purpose tools reduce the need to switch equipment, saving you time and effort. Keep extra trash bags at the bottom of your trash cans. When you take out the garbage, a new bag is ready to go. This small trick saves time and keeps your cleaning routine moving smoothly. A squeegee makes cleaning windows and glass doors much faster. Spray with cleaner, then use the squeegee to remove dirt and water in one swipe. This leaves glass streak-free and saves you time compared to wiping with paper towels. While cleaning, take a moment to organize drawers, shelves, or cabinets. Straighten items, toss out trash, and group similar things together. This keeps your home tidy and makes future cleaning sessions even faster. Lint rollers aren't just for clothes. They're great for picking up pet hair, crumbs, and dust from furniture, lampshades, and curtains. Keep one handy for quick touch-ups and to keep your home looking fresh between deep cleans. Dust and wipe light fixtures and ceiling fans regularly. Clean fixtures brighten up rooms and prevent dust from falling onto clean surfaces. Use a microfiber cloth or duster for best results. Regularly disinfect doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, and other high-touch surfaces. Use disinfectant wipes or sprays to quickly kill germs and keep your home healthy. This step is especially important during cold and flu season. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. Sprinkle it on carpets, upholstery, or in trash cans to absorb odors. Let it sit for a few minutes, then vacuum or wipe away. This keeps your home smelling fresh with minimal effort. Open windows to let in fresh air while you clean. This helps remove stale odors and makes your home feel more inviting. Even a few minutes of ventilation can make a big difference in the atmosphere of your space. Regularly groom your pets to reduce shedding and keep your home cleaner. Brush them often and clean their bedding regularly. This simple habit cuts down on pet hair and dander, making cleaning faster and easier. Consistency is key to maintaining a clean home. Stick to your routine and don't let chores pile up. A little effort each day keeps your house looking great and makes deep cleaning sessions much faster and less stressful. After a successful cleaning session, take a moment to reward yourself. Enjoy a cup of tea, relax with a book, or simply admire your sparkling home. Positive reinforcement makes it easier to stay motivated for future cleaning sessions. Keep your home tidy between major cleaning sessions by doing small chores daily. Wipe surfaces, sweep floors, and put things away as you go. This keeps messes from piling up and makes each cleaning session faster and easier. A positive attitude can make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a rewarding activity. Focus on the benefits: a tidy, comfortable home, and more free time. Remember, every little bit helps, and you're making progress with each step. Congratulations! You now have a complete toolkit for cleaning your house faster and more efficiently. By planning ahead, using the right tools, and staying consistent, you can keep your home sparkling with minimal effort. Remember, small daily habits add up to big results. Thanks for joining us now. Go enjoy your clean, comfortable space.